Hello, my name is Karen Olson. I am the web editor and marketing coordinator for IAPMA, the International Association of Papermakers and Paper Artists. Part of your membership allows you to upload a workshop that you might be teaching, or perhaps it is your organization that is offering a workshop. I'm going to show you how to do that now. After you have logged in, you will see your name and your icon here on the right. Go to Galleries and Events and click Workshops. At the top right, click Propose a Workshop, and it will bring you to the place to submit your workshop. Here you will want the title of the workshop, you will want to put in the country where the workshop will be, the start and end date of the workshop, if it happens to be an ongoing workshop, you can put the end of the current year. Workshop details would of course be what the person will learn, what materials they will need, where it will be, and the hours it will be. You can also put your Instagram handle, your Facebook handle, your YouTube handle, the link to register, link to the venue where you will be teaching, or the link to your website. You can include all three. Contact information would include your name and your email. Be sure to put your full name here. Click Next and upload any pictures that you have that describes what the workshop would be like. So I have one ready here. I will be teaching this workshop about the process to make this particular sculpture. So I have this image. I have named it with my first name, with my name first, and the title of the image. So it's really important to make sure that you have your full name in the title of the image. It is also important to make sure that the size of the image is 2000 pixels on the short side, and it can be 72 dpi resolution. So I have my image ready. I'm going to upload it. You may upload up to 10 pictures. Click Next. If you have a PDF or text that further describes the workshop, you can upload it here. Then click Next. So here's all the information that you have. Make sure it's correct, and then click Submit. I will receive the workshop, and I will be able to edit if necessary and make sure that it gets published and sent to our social media coordinators. Thank you so much.